my god, I hope it honks. Daddy! Ah!
Oh my Jesus!
Oh, we got another one to honk.
You okay, John?